Okay? Don't worry, my dear, okay?
Tell me when it's gonna happen.
How did you manage to get her?
And I tell you guys to go to the city, you don't want. This is the part we are supposed to pick, guys.
Yes.
Do you remember what I told you some time back?
I remember, yes, I remember.
Even your grandmother looks more beautiful than her.
What? Really?
She looks like a witch.
You need to show yourself who you are. No man can disappoint you.
Sweetheart, nowadays you don't like giving me your time. What's happening?
Baby, I love you, but you over complain. You even know I used to give you a lot of time, but nowadays I am busy.
I don't blame you. We came to you and we talked to you. You called us village champion, what, fools, what. Thank you so much.
I don't blame him. I blame us, the girls of this community.
I never rejected him. I only told him to give me some time, but he went for good.
Baby, can you manage?